Our law school has state-of-the-art infrastructure, and also the resources we give to the students. We have subscribed to a huge number of journals, online resources where they can do extensive research on legal matters, cases, journal publications. Even we have India Stat, we have SCC online, we have Haynes online, J-Sto, and any kind of books are available in library, which many universities don't spend a lot of money on these subscriptions. We have done that.
We have a very good syllabus revision that takes place every now and then. So that means that any contemporary aspect that happens around our city, how that happens in our society, that is taken into consideration. So all those developments that you talked about with regard to technology or AI, we have been adapting those things into our curriculum as well.
Coming to the class experience, just like the student I am who is from Kerala, we also have a plenty of different teachers and faculty members from different arenas. So that will also give us an exposure from different parts of India. To begin with, we have teachers from North India, South India, East India. So it's like having a touch of all parts of India. That's one thing. You get to learn the legal side of that state as well, along with the normal classes. And then their style of teaching is also imparted to us is one thing. When it comes to moot courts, usually it's not so common that we have moot courts in all languages. Generally, it is done in English, but here we have moot courts in Tamil too, where people who are fluent in Tamil, who have the command over that language, can also take part in. So that is a very good plus point when it comes to moot courts, because courts are not just about having an ability to speak in English alone. We have the district court and session courts where we must have a command over our regional language too. So that is actually a plus point when it comes to the classroom experience.
Events or the programs that are conducted here, we make sure that there are sessions that are handled by experts who come to our city, to SRMIST particularly, and who give what is needed for the students to enable them to keep up to this pace.
It is mandatory at School of Law to do winter internship as well as summer internship. After learning the doctrines pertaining to a particular subject, during their internship time, they will get a first-hand exposure to understand the nuances. For that, let me share a simple example. For first-year student, we will teach what is tort law, what kind of medical negligence cases they have to practice. To do that, they will intern with an NGO, they will interact with a victim, and with the help of Legal Aid Society, they will file a case before the relevant jurisdiction. Like that, I can say that after teaching the subjects, we will provide our students with hands-on experience with senior counsels as well as firms, so that they can learn the application of law towards dealing with the society.
I would recommend Destination Chennai, Destination SRMIST.